Want to use your VA loan again after a divorce or passing of a spouse? Let's walk through exactly how that works. Life changes and your home loan situation can too. I'm Jason Wood, the VA loan guy, and today I'm covering what happens to your VA loan entitlement after a divorce or death of a spouse. This is an area full of emotion and confusion, but rules are clear if you know where to look. So let's break it down. What happens to the VA entitlement after divorce or death? Let's start with divorce. The VA loan entitlement is tied to the veteran, not the spouse. Even if the ex-spouse stays in the home, they can't use the VA benefit. The veteran is still responsible for the loan and the entitlement is still in use. Now, in the case of a death, if the veteran passes, a surviving spouse may be able to assume the loan. This applies if they are an eligible surviving spouse under VA rules. The entitlement remains tied to the original loan unless the spouse refinances or sells. In both cases, the loan must be resolved for entitlement to be restored. So transferring or reclaiming entitlement. You've got options, but the steps depend on your situation. To fully restore entitlement, the original loan must be paid in full, and the veteran must no longer own the property. If the home is kept or assumed by somebody else, you may not get the full entitlement back. Partial entitlement may still be available for another purchase though. Surviving spouses, they may be able to refinance into their own VA loan or assume the current loan if they're eligible. Their eligibility is based on whether the veteran died in service or from a service-connected cause. Important thing to note though, this isn't automatic. It has to be applied for. So here's where most people get stuck. You can't reuse your VA benefit just because you're divorced or because your spouse passed. You have to prove either the loan was paid off, you no longer own the home, or you qualify as a surviving spouse under VA guidelines. And you need the paperwork to back it up. I had a veteran who went through a recent divorce and his ex kept the house. But to restore his full entitlement, he needed to sell the home or have the ex refinance out of the VA loan. Eventually, he sold the property and regained full eligibility. Think of VA entitlement like a phone line. You can transfer it or reuse it, but only if the line isn't tied up somewhere else. So here's what you'll need to complete the process. The first thing is the VA Form 26-1880. This is your request to restore entitlement. Supporting documents like a divorce decree, death certificate, current loan payoff, or assumption documentation. Communication, talk to the lender who knows the VA process. Mistakes here can delay or prevent entitlement restoration. So the bottom line, this isn't something you want to guess on. So wondering how to restore your VA entitlement? Whether you've experienced a divorce or the loss of a spouse, we're here to help you. My team will review your loan and property status, confirm what you're eligible to reclaim, help file the right forms, and structure your next move. So book a call with us. Go to VALoanGuy.us or click the link in the description below. With the right guidance, you can reclaim your benefit and move forward with clarity and confidence.